In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the official Klaviyo app in Shopify and complete the basic setup for tracking and consent alignment. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can get everything connected properly without confusion. This setup is important because it helps your Shopify store communicate correctly with Klaviyo, and it also gives you a chance to confirm that your customer privacy settings match the way you want tracking and data sharing to work. To begin, open Google Chrome. Using Chrome is helpful because it tends to work smoothly with app installation flows and Shopify admin tools. Once Chrome is open, go to the Shopify App Store and search for the official Klaviyo app. Make sure you choose the official version so you're connecting the right integration to your store. When you find it, start the installation and follow the prompts in Shopify to add the app. As the app setup window opens, you'll be asked to log into your existing Klaviyo account. Go ahead and sign in with your account credentials. This step connects your Shopify store to the Klaviyo account you already use, so be sure you're logging into the correct account before continuing. Once the login is complete, allow the setup process to finish connecting the two platforms. After that, move into your Shopify settings and navigate to Settings, then Customer Privacy. This area is where you can verify that your data sharing consents align with your tracking parameters. In other words, you want to make sure the privacy choices presented to your customers support the way Klaviyo tracking is expected to operate on your storefront. Take a moment here to review the settings carefully. If your store has specific consent requirements based on your region or audience, this is where you confirm that everything is consistent before moving on. Next, open your Shopify theme editor and look in the sidebar for the Klaviyo app embed option. Turn on the Klaviyo app embed toggle switch to complete the setup. This final step is important because it enables the app embed within your theme, allowing the integration to function properly on the storefront. Once that toggle is enabled, your core setup is complete. At this point, your Shopify store should be connected to Klaviyo, your customer privacy settings should be reviewed, and the app embed should be active inside your theme. If you want the smoothest possible results, it's a good idea to double check that the toggle stays enabled after saving and that the app appears correctly in your installed apps. That's it for this setup, and you're